In today's lesson, we'll be focusing on polynomials. As written here, polynomials are expressions formed from the sum of integral non-negative powers of a variable x. That variable is x, taken together with some numerical constants. In this lesson, we'll be talking about addition of polynomials. So let's take for example. Polynomial is given as this: p1 of x, that is the variable there is x. Polynomial 1 is equal to 7x raised to the power of 3 minus 4x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 4. That's for p1. Then p2 of x is given as 5x squared plus 6x plus 1. And then p3 of x is given as 4x3 minus 2x minus 3. Now the question is asking us, find 1. Let's find p1 of x plus p2 of x. The second question says p2 of x plus p3 of x. Then the last one that we are going to solve in addition is p1 of x plus p3 of x. p1 of x is the first one, and with the knowledge of our addition of whole numbers in classes, in our kindergarten grade classes, you must have learned how to arrange numbers. Now if you are arranging polynomials, we arrange them according to their powers when we want to add. Alright, so we have 7x raised to the power of 3 minus 4, that's for the first one. The first one, p1 plus p2. p1 is 7x raised to the power of 3 minus 4x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 4. You can see the way they arrange it in descending order. The power of 3, the power of 2, power of 1, then the constants, just like we said, with some numerical constants, okay? Then we have to add it with p2 plus p2 started with 5 raised to the power of 2. So we add it here, 5x squared, not 5 raised to the power of 2, 5x squared. You see where I put them under x squared, plus 6x plus 1. We add, okay? We're using this sign here. 4 plus 1 will give us 5. That's 4 plus 1 plus 5. 3x plus 6s give us plus 9x. Okay? Minus 4 square plus 5 square minus 4x square plus 5x square minus 4 plus 5 gives us what? Plus x squared. That's plus 1. Then we bring down the last polynomial because 7 plus nothing here, we assume here is 0, still gives us back a number. So when we added p1 plus p2, it gave us 7x cubed plus x squared plus 9x plus 5. Now let's try the second one. The second one says p2 of x. p2 of x is 5x squared plus 6x plus 1. p2 of x plus then 4x raised to the power of 3. There's no number here, so we assume there's a 0 there. Minus under the 2. You see the way I'm arranging them. I will not put this power here because I will not put this number here because the powers are not the same. So 2x minus 3. We put our addition sign, then we add. Yeah. So we have 1 this number 1 plus minus 3. 1 plus times minus 3. 1 minus 3 gives us minus 2. We're done with that. We'll move to the next. 6 plus minus 2. So what we have here is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 gives us 4. That's positive 4. So we have plus 4. 5x squared plus nothing is 5x squared. Then we bring down 4x cubed. That's plus 5x squared because this is positive 5x squared. Recall, we said 6 minus 2 is 4, and it has its own variable x. We did not input the x, so this is minus 2 plus 4x plus 5x squared, then 4x cubed. Then the last one we are going to treat is p1 of x plus p3 of x. P1 of x is 7x raised to the power of 3 minus 4x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 4. Then P3 of x is 4x raised to the power of 3. There's no squared there, anyone carrying square, so we'll move to this place, minus 2x minus 3. We add plus 4 plus minus 3. That's 4 minus 3. The answer is 1 plus 1. That's positive 1. So we have here 3 plus minus 2. So we have 3 minus 2, which is plus x. 1x is x. Then 4 minus 4 square plus 0 is minus 4x square. Minus 4x square the same thing as minus 4x square plus 0 is minus 4x square. Then we have 7x cubed plus 4x cubed, that's 11x cubed. So we can see how we add our polynomials. You cannot arrange 100 where terms is, it will give you a wrong answer. All you need to do is arrange each term according to their powers.